Hi guys, welcome back to Cruising with Crystal and Marshall. I'm Crystal and today I'm doing a pack with me video. It's been a minute. I think it's been about 4 months since I filmed a pack with me video. So this time I'm doing something a little bit different. I got a little help from my friend ChatGPT. So today I'm going to share with you all the details of the prompt that I put into ChatGPT and what they told me to bring, and then all the things that I'm bringing for this cruise. So let's get started. Okay, so if you've never used ChatGPT, it's a free product from OpenAI. I only use the free version, and I'm a little bit cautious about the things that I share with ChatGPT, and I try to keep things a little vague. So I don't say I'm doing this or I'm doing that. So let me tell you what I actually said, what they said back, and then I'll show you all the pieces that I'm packing based on what they suggested. So this is what I put in the prompt. If I was going on a back-to-back cruise, with one being 7 days and one being 5 days, I can do a small load of laundry one time, and I want to have options for day and options for dinnerware, as well as a few beach and excursion days, but I want to pack light. What should I pack? So they said it's all about mixing and matching basics and strategic layering, which of course I always do. They're saying since I can do laundry one time, plan to rewear items in the second week after washing. Pick 1 to 2 neutrals, black, white, navy, tan. I chose black and white because that's what I wear the most. That's what I have the most of. They also suggest 1 to 2 accent colors. You'll see a couple of pops of color, but for the most part, mostly neutrals. Light layers. Cruise ships can be cool inside even if the weather is hot. True. Okay, so they're suggesting for clothing. Let's go through all the things. 3 swimsuits, 2 swimsuit cover-ups. So I'll show you what I'm bringing. I have 2 swimsuits. I mostly use 2-piece little skirts. So this is one bottom. This is a top. This the top I thrifted actually. It's from Land's End, very nice quality, and they hold up well and they wash well. So that's one top. This is another Land's End top that I also thrifted on the same day. Somebody must have been getting rid of some of their stuff and I grabbed it. All of these bottoms I purchased from Amazon actually. These are blue, navy blue bottoms that are shorts that I wear as bathing suit bottoms. And then I have a 1-piece bathing suit that is light colored that I use to wear in the hot tubs because I found I've ruined some of my bathing suit tops that are very vibrant in color by like all the chlorine just sort of faded them. So that's what those are the 3 bathing suits that I'm bringing. They also suggested 2 bathing suit cover-ups. This, I have a basic gray one. And then this is just a knit dress that I can wear as a cover-up. And then it can also double as a day dress. So those are my plans for that. 2 to 3 casual tank tops or tees. Let me show you what I have for that. So I have this pop of color. This is a tank from Old Navy in a Kelly green color. This is a black Old Navy. And then I have, this is also from Old Navy. This is a cream top that I love to wear because it matches practically everything and it always looks nice. I have it in black also, which you'll see soon. 2 pairs of shorts or skirts. So I'm bringing these black denim shorts that my sister gave me, and then I'm also bringing these blue shorts that are from a 2-piece set, which I have the top That comes later in the list. And this I got, actually, this is a Danskin two-piece set that I got from Amazon. I will link everything that I can link below in case you're interested. Next it says, one casual sundress that can double for lunch or excursions. So for that, I'm bringing this dress that I thrifted. It is so comfortable and it actually doesn't look too bad on me. So I like this dress. Happy with those choices so far. Then it says a pair of flip-flops or waterproof sandals. I have my water shoes. These are extremely old. I probably got these in 2010, but they still do the job. So I will bring those. And then we have a sun hat. Oh, I forgot my hat. Hold on. I have these two options. This is a big floppy white hat. This is a less floppy tan and black hat that both of these I think I bought on cruise ships. I might bring this one, but I'm not sure. I'll let you know by the end of the video. So, hat, beach bag, or tote. In my 15 things that I always bring on every cruise, which I'll link that video below, you'll see there's a little canvas bag in there that I always bring. So that is everything for beach and excursions. Next is day wear, 3 to 4 tops, which I have 3. This is the top to that two-piece set. This is the long sleeve. It is air conditioned quite coldly on the ships usually, and I will be working a couple days on this cruise. Mostly I'm taking time off, but I will be working a couple days, so I thought I could wear this on a work day. Also, I could also wear this. This is a black sweater that I can wear for day or evening. Then we have this black Old Navy shirt. This is like the cream colored one. This one is in black. Next up, it says 2 to 3 bottoms, a pair of linen pants, a pair of capris, and 1 comfy skirt or casual pant. So these I picked up this summer from Amazon. These are, what do you call them, palazzo pants or something? Super comfortable. I figured any one of my tops, except for the blue sweatshirt probably, but any one of the tops would match these pants, and then I can just wear them with a pair of sandals, and they don't really wrinkle, which is nice. They're sort of like a dressy sort of material, very lightweight, very flowy, and I really like them. And then I think you saw these on my last pack with me. I brought these on our transatlantic cruise. These are a pair of linen pants that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and these are lined, which is nice. And then yeah, so this again I could wear with practically any of the shirts. And then for the last pair of bottoms, I have just a pair of white jeans. So those again will match any of my tops. So we got the black and white theme going on with the tops and bottoms. And then last thing for day wear is a casual knit dress that can be dressed up or down. I don't know if I'm gonna dress it up or down, but I have this dress from St. John's Bay that I thrifted. And yeah, it's just super comfortable. It's a little short, so I wear a pair of like biker shorts under it just to make myself feel more comfortable. Then let's move on to the next category that ChatGPT suggested that I bring is 3 dinner evening outfits, dresses specifically, or jumpsuits. So I am bringing this black dress. I like the ruching on this. This is super comfortable. As you can tell, comfort is really important to me. I picked up this black dress at Goodwill when I was thrifting one day. Then I have 2 jumpsuits actually. This is a black one, wide leg, very comfortable. I know y'all have seen this before on a Pack With Me video, but it just works so well on a cruise. So that's what I'm bringing. And then I noticed the cruise line, Royal Caribbean, emailed us and said that there was going to be a tropical night one night. So I thought I would bring this number, which again, wide leg jumpsuit. It's in cotton. This is Old Navy, which I did actually thrift at Goodwill. So yeah, those are my evening wear outfits. Then they said, you know, bring a scarf or jewelry, different accessories to change the look. So I have some gold, I have some silver, I have a couple of necklaces, and then I'm not really a scarf person, but I do have a couple of different tops that I could wear. So, I mean, like a little wrap. So, which is the next thing on the list, a light shawl or wrap or cardigan. So for a light wrap, I thought I would bring this black, it's like a 3/4 inch. I really like this. It's kind of perfect because it adds an additional layer for warmth and to mix things up a little, but it's not heavy. And then let's see, miscellaneous, a pair of jeans or leggings. So I am bringing these pants that I thrifted that are super comfortable. They have a drawstring and they have like elastic at the cuffs. So this would be great to throw on to go fetch a cup of coffee in the morning or something like that. Or if there is a cold day, this is a good option. And then they didn't really have anything listed here for workout clothes. So I went ahead and added a pair of biker shorts and a workout shirt. So I added that to the list here. And then a pair of pajamas / loungewear. I brought actually two. I have a pair of pajamas, shorts, and a shirt, and then I have a nightgown. Undergarments, of course, for 6 or 7 days. I'm bringing underwear, bras. I thought I'd bring like 8 pairs of underwear, 3 bras, and then I have like 6 pairs of my absolute favorite no-show socks. These do not slip off my ankle, so, or the back of my foot. So I love these socks. So like I said, I'll link everything below because I know I have the link for this. Now, for shoes, they said keep to 3 total. If you wanted to pack light, I see that makes sense. I am going to pack 3 pairs and then I'll be wearing 1 pair for embarkation. So let me show you my shoes. Oh wait, I skipped something. It says 1 lightweight sweater or denim jacket. So I will bring this sweater. It's a lightweight layer. It's in gray. I bought this a very long time ago at H&M. So that's all the clothes. Let me show you the shoes. Okay, so for shoes, I'm bringing these black wedges, which I love. They have good arch support, the cork bottom, and I love these shoes. Very comfortable for me. These are the ones I typically bring on a cruise ship since I had injured my foot last year. And then these sandals, these are called Dream Pairs, and they come in 4 different colors. And this was a fairly recent purchase this summer also on Amazon. I bought all 4 pairs because it's very difficult for me to find shoes that are comfortable and supportive enough for what I need. So this has good arch support, cork bottom, extremely comfortable. So I'll also link these. The other shoes I have 2 pairs of sneakers. I have Pumas, just plain white. And then I have these that I bought this summer. These are called by Lucky Step. They're air cooled. They're pretty darn cute, I think. And I actually bought a couple of pairs of these. I spent some money on shoes this summer, and I'm very happy with my purchases. So these are going with me. One pair I will wear, you know, on embarkation day, because we will be walking around the cruise ship quite a bit tomorrow. So yeah, it's a big, big, big ship. Icon class. So that is those sneakers. And then a pair of flip-flops or water sandals for the beach or pool, which sometimes ChatGPT repeats themselves. We already discussed that, my water shoes. And then toiletries. They said toiletries, sunscreen, and aloe, first aid kit. That's already, all that stuff is already in the 15 things I pack for every cruise. I have travel laundry. I have the sheets that I will also link below. They're by Arm & Hammer, and I love those. That's great for hand washing things in the cruise ship sink. And then wrinkle release spray. Yes, I bring Downy wrinkle release on every cruise. Packing cubes, which I have these packing cubes. I have 2 different sets. Okay, so let me show you the packing cubes that I have. So yeah, we're going on Icon of the Seas for 7 days out of Miami. And then at the end of the 7-day cruise, we'll pack everything up. We'll step off the ship. We go next door to the next terminal, also in Miami, and we will get on Freedom of the Seas for 5 days. So we're really excited to get back on board a ship, and we will be bringing you all the ship tours, the room tours, and all that content, all the places we're going to some exciting places. So very much looking forward to it. So here are the packing cubes I have. This is by GoNex. This set of packing cubes comes in various sizes. I think I have 4 of them. This is the large, this is the medium, this is the small. I guess I have 2 smallish ones. One's a little bit bigger than the other. One I typically put my bathing suits in. The other one I put my undergarments in, and then I'll put shirts in here, and then usually my bottoms go in here. These are compression cubes, so I don't know if you've ever used those, but you put your stuff in here and you zip your stuff up. So then you have this much room, and then it's kind of like a suitcase, you know, when you have that extra room, except with this, you are compressing it, and it takes out the air and makes everything compressed smaller. So that's what they mean by compression cubes. And then I have 4 packing cubes that are not compression cubes, but they help me to keep everything organized. And I usually use a combination of these 8 packing cubes, 4 compression and 4 not. And yeah, this has always worked really, really well for me. One of the best things about having ChatGPT put together the packing list is that they also provided 12 days of sample outfit rotation. So for day 1 through day 12, they recommended what I should wear during the day and then what I should wear to dinner. And of course, those were items that were previously on the list that they provided. So I just found this extremely helpful to be able to actually visualize what I will wear on the cruise and how these outfits mix and match to provide me with 12 days of day and evening wear. Overall, I would say ChatGPT did a pretty good job. I'm going to put all my stuff into these compression cubes, get them in my suitcase, and then pack my embarkation bag and my tack bag, and I'll be ready to roll. So if you're on board Icon or Freedom, I'll see you there, and say hello if you see us. So thanks for watching. See you next time.